Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change the location of your OneDrive folder. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official OneDrive.com website right here if you haven't already, or go ahead and open up OneDrive on your PC. So after you have opened up the application, go ahead and log into your Microsoft account, and after logging into your Microsoft account, you'll be greeted by the home page of the application where you'll be able to see all your files, settings, and so on. So guys, when you're opening up the application for the first time, you will be able to select in the steps process, you'll be able to select where you want your OneDrive folder to be. So guys, one option is to uninstall your application and then install it again so that you will be able to once again select your folder. But if you don't want to uninstall, what you can do, as you can see right here at the official website of Microsoft, you can unlink your OneDrive by going to the settings tab. Then you can go ahead and click on the account tab as it says right here and selecting unlink this PC. So after that, you can move your OneDrive folders, go ahead and find that folder that you want to move to the new location, and after that you can go ahead and click to log in again by clicking get started in OneDrive, and then you will be able to change your location to that new folder. So just follow the steps right here on the official website of supportmicrosoft.com. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.